The Alphasonik AS268P 6x8 loudspeakers deliver a noticeably cleaner and more dynamic sound than most factory car speakers, with clear highs and solid mid-range detail. Their three-way design, combining dedicated woofer, mid-range, and tweeter elements, helps vocals and instruments sound more lifelike across everyday music genres. With generous peak power handling and a sensible continuous rating, these speakers pair well with stock head units, yet still have enough headroom for an aftermarket amplifier upgrade. The wide frequency response allows them to reach down for respectable bass while still reproducing crisp treble without sounding harsh at higher volume levels. A shallow mounting depth and included hardware make installation straightforward in many factory 6x8 locations for both cars and trucks. Overall, the Alphasonik AS268P loudspeakers are a strong choice for drivers wanting a noticeable step up in clarity and punch without a complicated audio build.